The defence technology company QinetiQ tests the Royal Navy's ships at its state-of-the-art facilities in Gosport, Hampshire. The new contract will secure the MOD's access to a range of scientific expertise and maritime research facilities for another 15 years. It will also see the site opened up to other government and commercial clients.
Keeping them UK at the front and making sure that the vast amount of money that we are investing give us the best we can for that money. We are investing a lot in the naval area at the moment. We have got submarines under contract, we've got destroyers under contract. There's a lot of money going in there. We want to make sure that we get the best possible, and it is paying off because the capability of our current destroyers and our future submarines will be far in advance of anything that we've had in the past, and that's partly thanks to the work that goes on here with the scientists and engineers.
The centrepiece of the testing facility is the Ocean Basin, which is the largest freshwater tank in Europe. It has a built-in wave machine and enough water to fill 16 Olympic swimming pools, and is used as a test laboratory to assess the design and manoeuvrability of scale models of submarines and ships in different sea conditions. The new contract will help to secure a large number of highly skilled jobs both at the site in Hampshire and at Rosyth in Scotland.
It's very important in terms of jobs to Britain and indeed to this locality. We need to keep these kind of skills, both the scientists and the engineers, so that we can make sure that we ourselves can verify the kind of work that goes on in building and make sure that we can have the safest naval fleet that is possible. So it's very important that we keep those skills onshore, and it's also important for an area like this that they have got such an important asset that provides so many jobs locally.
The facilities also include a hyperbaric medical unit, which can be used to treat both military and civilian divers suffering from decompression illness or the bends. The Royal Navy says the safety aspect of the facility is vital for its continued operational success.
In terms of the way that the Navy looks at this, when it puts people in its ships at sea, it needs them to be operationally effective and it needs them to be safe. And this facility helps us in both of those areas. In operational effectiveness, testing new ship model shapes and that sort of stuff, that all helps towards effectiveness. And then being able to test things like manoeuvre limits, what happens if you damage a vessel or so on, and how it behaves in various sea states and so on, the safety angle.
Such is the expertise at the site that an agreement has also been reached with the French with regards to the use of the base.
There's a top-level agreement between the ministers on sharing of facilities, and embedded within this contract is the first step on that sharing of facilities. We have access to what they call their cavitation tunnel, and they have access to this ocean basin here.
QinetiQ say the new agreement will enable them to continue to deliver research facilities that will help the Royal Navy save lives, time and money. By attracting new commercial business to the site, the company say they will be able to drive down research costs, while at the same time develop environmentally friendly technologies such as tidal power generation.